Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to be doing a 2020 price prediction and analysis on Ravencoin. Now Ravencoin is an altcoin that's quite small with a market cap of only $114 million, current market cap position of 38. So this is actually the smallest altcoin that we've covered in this series of 2020 crypto price predictions. And if you haven't seen my price predictions on other cryptos for 2020, make sure to check that out. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. I've already covered Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, whole bunch of them. So if you're interested in checking that out, link in the description of this video to that playlist where all those videos are gathered up. Now for Ravencoin, this is a current coin that you may or may not have heard of, but I really like the project, and the fact that it's actually a smaller market cap cryptocurrency is something that I like because I think it leaves a lot of room ahead to grow, right? Some of these cryptos that are already at 10 billion, $100 billion market caps, they can grow, of course, right? I'm sure Bitcoin is going to grow from here, but you know, when it's this small, it's easier for it to reach $1 billion of market cap or $2 billion market cap, and that's, you know, a 1,000, 2,000% increase. So that provides a very nice opportunity. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at the chart here, there's a lot of interesting stuff going on. And first off, let me say that obviously you might see this spike here and this huge drop-off may look concerning, but if we take a look, obviously, you know, it's never fun to get a drop like this, but we did manage to stay nicely right at our support level at 271 Satoshis. So I'd like to see it remain above that level, and absolutely don't want to see it move below 270 Satoshis, right? If we move below this, you know, we'll lose this massive long-term support that is really the support that was put in at the beginning of this coin. And that could mean, you know, somewhat the death of this coin, right? It would be very bearish if we move below $270. Thankfully, for many reasons, I don't think that's going to happen, right? And also, if I go ahead and draw our downtrend line, what we're going to see is we have nicely broken out of that. If we take it from here, or even if we take it from here, obviously, if you were really strict about it, you could even put it here, and technically we are still in the downtrend. So we'll leave it there for now. All I can say with that is if we take this pattern, this is a wedge formation, which means that once we reach the end of this formation, which is coming up very soon, we're either going to break below 270 Satoshis, at which point I would, you know, not hold this coin. And that's just my personal opinion, not investment advice. But that would be very bearish, like I said. However, what I think is going to happen is we're going to probably break out of this. We might not get a huge run up right away. We might just break out of this kind of horizontally and then slowly start to curl back up. And then from there it can pick up. Obviously, I think the altcoin market is going to do pretty good as Bitcoin dominance is very high right now. I believe that's going to lower, and a lot of that money will flow back into altcoins. Now, one of the very interesting patterns that I spotted on the Ravencoin chart, which you may or may not know about this formation, I actually discussed this in my technical analysis master course. Make sure to get it during the holiday season. It's less than $20 right now. Covers everything, including what I'm just about to talk to now, so you'll get a little tidbit for free here. But basically, what we have on the RSI indicator is a bullish divergence. Now, what that means is if we look at our RSI, we're actually uptrending, where if we look at the price, we're downtrending, or, you know, if we take it kind of from what I took here, we're basically flat, right? As you can see by this horizontal support level. So the fact that the price is moving down, I would more say flat right now. However, the RSI is actually moving upwards during this period of time. That's a bullish divergence. This is actually one of the signals that foreshadows and precedes a breakout on the price, right? Because the RSI is spotting that buying pressure that's starting to increase, and then we're going to get that move higher reflected on the price pretty shortly, right? Especially that this bullish divergence has been going on for quite some time, and we're coming up on this, you know, make it or break it moment here, which I think we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it out of this downtrend line, and that's really that first key signal. From there, are we gonna get a huge rise, you know, all the way back up? I don't think it's instantly gonna be that. Like I said, I believe this breakout will be pretty flat initially and pretty sideways, but afterwards, I think later in this year we can absolutely return to around 1,000 Satoshis, and if altcoins do really well this year, it's not out of the cards that we could even make, you know, the all-time high or something like that. But initially, we'll want to make it back to 1,000 Satoshis and above, which I do believe is is doable. Probably going to be in the second half of the year or somewhere around in the middle of the year where we'll be testing 1,000 Satoshis and then potentially breaking out of that. But personally, I like the project and I like the setup right now. It's extremely low. You're not really going to get it lower for this, I believe. So that's my personal opinion, not financial advice as usual. But this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to leave a like. Also, let me know your thoughts on Ravencoin down in the comment section, and also which cryptos you want to see analysis on. So make sure to check out my technical analysis master course. We've got buying and selling opportunities, how to spot them, how to read candlesticks, how to spot trends, whole bunch of indicators that are covered, risk management principles to use with that technical analysis, and also make sure to follow me on Twitter. Link in the description to the course and my Twitter. And thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.